Now here to talk a little bit more of that, we have the VP of Strategy and Corporate Development for Courion right now. We welcome in Kurt Johnson. Kurt, welcome in. How you doing?
Doing great. Thanks for having me.
Excellent. So talk about, that security breach. And right now, obviously, everybody is looking at saying, oh my goodness, what does this mean for the healthcare field? I mean, talk about Courion right there. What some of the things that you guys actually work on?
Well, Courion, we provide solutions, software solutions for identity and access management. And specifically what we're doing is helping organizations with this issue of access risk management. How do you ensure that the right people have the right access to the right resources and are doing the right things with it? So our software helps organizations better manage that so you can have more confidence in ensuring that people are only doing the things they're supposed to with access.
I think it's interesting. Anytime someone swipes their credit card online or uses their PayPal account, whatever they might be doing, they say, oh, that's my data. But how important is it to keep like a patient's data actually safe? I mean, talk about the importance of that.
Yeah, one big difference there is one thing with credit card. I don't want anyone getting my credit card number, but if they do, I know I'm capped on the liability for me. The bank's going to cover that.
And I can call and cancel.
Right. The banks are covered. It's inconvenient, but it's not, at the end of the day, nothing's out of my pocket. In health information, if that gets out there, they can't cap that. They can't get that back. My medical history, which might impact my insurability or me getting a job, is out there. So protecting that information is so critical because it's such sensitive information. It is about as sensitive as it gets. So individuals, as they're watching news reports about identity theft, are becoming more keenly aware of, hey, my information is there. How are you protecting it? So for healthcare providers, it's important from the standpoint of they can get fined. There's regulations like HIPAA and high-tech that have been increasing their scrutiny and looking at penalties. But it's not just the fines they worry about. There's public disclosure laws. That means you have to announce it, which can lead to civil lawsuits. And then there's the brand. How, if a patient knows that ABC Hospital just exposed all this patient data, how am I going to feel about going to that hospital or going to that physician? So healthcare communities are so concerned about their brand that they want patients to feel they're going to get the best care and that their information is protected. And any breach from that can have just dramatic impact to people's perception about that organization.